Hey, Rich Yo-Yo here. We're gonna take a look at a mesh version RGB fan computer case X3. It's like, what the fudge? Okay, here's the box. Got this on Amazon. Here's the other side. Nothing really. Here's the other side. Nothing really. And some specs. Case ATX, micro ATX, mini, USB. 2, 3, black, white, PCI slots, CPU cooler size, GPU size, power supply size, base 3.5s or 2.5 SSDs, 2.5s, RGBs, or the fans, RGBs pre-installed, and then black, etc. And then nothing on the bottom. Let's take a look. Open it up. Open it up. What are you guys looking at for fans? Or cases, computer cases. They don't even know how to open this. Very gunpowder. How do I pull this out? Let's see. Sort of a pain in the butt. Ah! Shock. Okay, came out like that from the box. Looks like tempered glass that way. Looks like this is maybe the top. The bottom glass. Slow drop. Bag opening on the bottom. Drop. Boom. Wow, it's tall. Yeah, it's tall. It's really tall case. Okay, let's see. Glass panel. Vents. Cannot see at all. It's so dark. The fudge is this? A little better? Barely. Not really. Okay. Looks like, ooh, nice. Wow, it's all glass on this side. Logo, fan, let's see. Tempered glass, looks like this slides up. So yeah, you could only put it on one way. Here is the glass. Looks like metal, and then magnets here, magnet here, lock thing there. It's a lock in, no magnets there. This is all glass, looks like a protective film on this side right here. Then yeah, and then this is attached through the metal part. So yeah, there's that. Let's see what we got. Let's take a look around. Ooh, so this is like, yeah, I'm gonna have to build this and show you guys. I can't even see it. It's like curvy mesh, triangle meshed parts with the side vents are a little meh, like sort of old style computer stuff to me. Intake, outtake, fan, motherboard. Gates for the PCIe, power supply. This is a pretty tall case. Here's the fans. Wow, that is a lot of fans. I didn't know there was that many fans. What the fudge? 6 fans. What the fudge? I didn't know it was 6 fans. Did it say on there? Wow, that's a lot of fans. Okay, here's the top. And that thing's backward. Let's take off the mesh. Magnetized. Which is nice. Here's the top. Okay, I'm sort of correctly mounted, blowing out, or I'll just show you later. Mounted, wow, that's a lot of screws, mounted and ready for you. And then, here are the buttons. Power, or drive, power on or something, microphone, headphone, USB, reset, LED. Sort of in, this is okay, small finger, LED. What the fudge? On, off? Is that reset or not reset? Or is that just like, yeah, where did I plug it in and figure out what that is? USB 3. Here's the side. You guys can look at that. And let's take a look at the bottom first. Here's the bottom. Mesh. Hard drive mount looks like. We'll have to take a look at this. Bottom feet looks like it's screwed in. And some slidey. Whatever. It's not really rubbery. Looks like you take off this mesh over here, slide it over there, pull it out, and then hard drive, unscrew those, slide out or in that way. Let's take a look at the back. Ooh, really cool case. If I could unscrew. Nope. Can't do that. This is pretty nice. I think it was $50 or something. Or is it 60 with 4 fans that are already plugged in, which is nice. We'll take a look at it. But I don't know about the front. Here's the mesh. The back. Looks like there are some hooks. Metal's a little thicker than the other stuff I've been working with. What the fudge? What is this? That is... What the fudge is that? That is so many fans. What kind of fan is this? Yeah, I'm gonna plug this in. I do not know. Mounts for that. Looks like SSD bracket. Unscrew it. Screw it in. Put on. Screw it in. Which is totally different. I've never seen that style before. Power supply mount. 2.5 and 3.5 and 3.5 on top. And then this is fan power. And these are fans 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 fans and then fan power. What is fan power? I don't even know what that means. And then these looks like the top looks okay. So yeah, looks okay. And then let's take a look at this. I think that's it. Looks like you could add you got 1 fan here, 2 fans right there. Looks like you could maybe put in your it does look like you could put in your water fan cooler here if you want, or stick it here, or stick it on top. You have to unscrew them and put them in, or just stick them in. Yeah, it does look like you could stick it on top if you need to. Screw it on here. And then rewire it, maybe? I don't even know. What kind of fan is this? Let's take a look at this. Where does this go? What does it even change color? I have to plug this in. It's so confusing. What is this? What the fudge is this? I gotta take with it. Where does this go? Where does this go? What kind of plug is this? This goes to black. So does it even change color? I don't even know what kind of... Okay, we'll see what this is. I'm gonna have to plug it in. I don't think I can plug it in. I technically can't plug it in right now. Let's plug this in. Let's plug this in the hard way. I want to see what this is. Looks like there's what is this? I don't know what that is. Screws. Instruction manuals. X3 6 fan. See, look at that. Okay, there's instructions. Hard drive fan on bottom. Screwed in. Slide it in. And then number 3 is a hard drive mounts. Front top up. Screwed in, put it on there, screwed in top. Hard drive or power supply, and then light on, light off, okay? And then let's see what else. Motherboard, install, ground them. And that's it. Oh, they top front has 3 RGB installed. And then top and rear are different sizes. Front and top and rear. So there's 140. I didn't know. They look the same. Yep, that one's pretty big. Wow. That is a pretty big fan. So it's like, it's almost finger size, and this one's like whole length of my hand. So it's like here at this one, and then yeah, it's like doubles. Almost 1.5 times bigger. So yeah, let's... How do you even plug this in? Power would go here, I think. So where does this go? Okay. I'm gonna get a power supply. Let's figure this out. Never mind, I don't have a power supply. So, you're gonna watch the next video, which is probably when I finish building this. Like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you guys.